Have you ever set up a projector and watched a spy movie and thought to yourself, yeah, I could do that, deep down? The cool gadgets aren't only for the big screen. Whether you're a real-life spy or you just want to talk to your crush in a girl's voice, whatever it is, we got everything covered from a lifesaver spy gun to a spycam finder. Product links are available in the description, so grab a cup of coffee and get ready for the video. Life Card. Yeah, safety and self-defense is a thing in the modern world, but you can't carry a machine gun or an AK-47 wherever you go. That's why the lipstick gun had to be invented by the Secret Service. Here we're not talking about the lipstick gun, but the latest Life Card. This small gadget can keep you prepared for any self-defense situation. Life Card folds down to the size of a standard credit card and is just half an inch thick. The pocket-friendly gadget can be unfolded in seconds, and unlike the lipstick gun that shoots just one single round, this tool offers 3 shots with built-in safety measures. With this, you're all armed for next terrorist encounter. Sky Saver. Life is so unfair, we don't have any X-Men to save us in a disastrous situation to get us out of the building as quick as possible. People in the base floor may somehow get themselves out, but what about people who are on the top floors? SkySaver is a rescue backpack with weight capacity of 60 to 300 pounds and is tested for extreme conditions to save your life and your loved ones. The tool comes in 2 options, one with 160 meters in length and another with 80 meters. The automatic mechanical braking system brings you down smoothly and with utmost safety. Whether you use it to get yourself out of the 10th-story building while in a fire accident, or you use it to spy on your girlfriend at the 5th story, this tool is a very much essential lifesaver and a must-have. SpyFinder Pro. With the advancement of technology in the recent few years, privacy has become a myth, especially when renting a hotel room or an apartment. Small hidden cams can be placed in your hotel room, bathroom, or even in some smallest things, like alarms. With this new gadget you just have to worry nothing. With just a click on the button, the device activates 6 powerful LED lights with 3 intensity levels, helps you detect even the smallest cameras. It doesn't matter if the camera is turned on or off, recording or not, the gadget reflects the lens exposing the cams, which is almost impossible to detect with the naked eye. Bonus, Voice Changer. Whether you want to prank your friend in a female voice, or just add some more fun into video games by changing your voice, or you're on a spy mission and want to confuse the villain with voice change. Whatever your plans are, this cool gadget never fails to amaze you. The cool gadget has 4 different voices, one of a male, one of a female, and a kid and a monster. With this gadget in hand, no one's gonna stop you from having fun.
You can change it to either deeper, and then just a normal male voice. I do like this one.
And you have a female one, which is quite good.
Spy Lens. This electronic eyewear, Spy Lens, is a game changer in the spy gadgets industry. The gadget is made out of polycarbonate and is capable of sending and receiving the information. The lens is molded with an enclosed chip and antenna, which allows you to record videos, capture photos, and transmit footage with just a blink of an eye. Technically, you've been granted a robot vision. The gadget may soon get updated with AI technology, which may change the way how things work. Carlock. Spying is not only about stalking and stealth, protecting our valuables is also a major part of it. What makes thieves happier more than a regular car alarm? The very usual annoying sound that you ignore thinking it's something minor. Carlock is a gadget that brings protection to your car with its real-time GPS tracking device. Just connect the device in your car's OBD and the thief won't even notice the small gadget. The device not only tracks your car but also reports you on any fast acceleration, sudden brakes, and much more. The device even displays your car health on its mobile app. Spy earpiece with mask. A lot of things have changed post-COVID, and the spy gadgets have changed too. This looks like face mask that everybody uses, but the twist is it has an attached earpiece. The earpiece is extremely tiny and almost invisible inside your ears. The mask has a SIM slot and a charging point inside. Signal jammer. Whether you want to prank your friends or jam your crush's phone signals to avoid her calling her boyfriend. All Deal Signal Jammer is an 18 bands jammer with 16 antennas. The device is capable of jamming all kinds of Android or iPhone and even the walkie-talkie signals. Being the world's first jammer with 18 bands, with power output of up to 18 watts and jamming range of 2 to 25 meters, the device works 150 minutes in a stretch. Spy GSM ATM Card. If you're thinking, a pen or an alarm clock with a small cam is the greatest of all spy inventions, Spy ATM Card is the mother of spy cams and all other spy technology. This amazing gadget looks exactly like a credit card from an angle, but is a super spy tool that not only intercepts calls, but also taps into them all. With a thickness of 4.5 millimeters, the device has a GSM SIM slot in it. As soon as you insert a SIM card inside, the device starts picking up the call from any phone nearby. Etching 110. When it's a spy game, drones are something you never gotta miss out. Drones are blood and bones of the spy operations. Etching 110 is a helicopter replica of drone that keeps you on air and gives you an aerial view of your surrounding while you're safe on the ground. The body of the drone is so small that it could easily fit in the palm of your hands. The small body of the gadget makes it a perfect tool to spy, as it won't be easily seen or caught by the targets.